Welcome back, everybody. Crazy Pop here. All the crazy kids are in school, so I'm stuck here with crazy Nana and my crazy wife. So today it's cold, rainy, messy outside, so we decided, hey, let's cook something inside. We got some leftover chicken the other day. We smoked some chickens on the smoker. We love jalapeno poppers. We love grilled cheese sandwiches. So we're like, why don't we make some buffalo chicken jalapeno popper grilled cheese sandwiches? Now that's a mouthful, and it's gonna be a mouthful, but a good mouthful. So let's get to showing you what we're gonna cook with. But before we do, hit a subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below what you think, and let's show you what we're gonna do. Now I know this looks like a lot of ingredients for just a grilled cheese sandwich, but man, this thing is gonna be good. So we got about 2 jalapeno peppers that we've diced up. And there's our smoked chicken that we added some Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce to. And we got some sausage that we browned up and crumbled up. We got some bacon that we cooked and crumbled up. We got about a handful of cheese there, maybe about 3/4 cup, maybe half a cup. We haven't measured any of this. We're just kind of adding as we go. Half a block cream cheese, 2 slices of American craft cheese, and of course, our bread that we're going to brown up. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to put all these ingredients here in the bowl, and we're just going to mix it up good. All right, so we added the cream cheese and buffalo chicken. Let's add the jalapeno peppers and some sausage, and I'll tell you what, probably be easier. Let's just dump everything in there like this. Nobody said it's got to be pretty. It's just got to be good. All right, we got all that together. So now we're just going to blend it up. And we'll bring you back when it's all mixed up. Well, it's good mixed up now. So now what we're going to do is, you can't really spread this too well on that bread. It's just going to rip the bread. So we're going to kind of make this out into a patty, kind of like you do hamburgers, I guess. And just make it thick, as big as you want it, whatever. But we're going to make it out to where we can just lay it on the bread and then lay the cheese on top of that. Put the sandwich together, and then we're going to put it in a pan and we're going to fry this thing up, make us a good cheesy grilled cheese sandwich. There you go. All right, lay your cheese on there. Now we're just using some American cheese. Use whatever kind of cheese you like to use on your grilled cheese sandwiches. Let's get this thing put together now. And now we're gonna fry it up. Now once you have your sandwich made, you're ready to go into the pan. Now we got a lot of extra here. We might do some other stuff with it. Don't know yet. We got our pan hot. We're gonna go ahead and add some butter to it and get this thing going. Make us a good grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna tell you what's better than a good grilled cheese sandwich on a good cold rainy day like this? Get your bowl of tomato soup to go with this, and man, you're gonna have something good. That buffalo chicken and them jalapeno peppers. So let's get this thing cooked up, and we'll show you what it's gonna look like when we get done. All right, let's give this thing a flip now. Cook it on the other side a little bit and get this cheese all good and melty. Add a little bit more butter to our pan. And give it a good flip. Oh, look how good and golden brown that is. All right, let's get all cooked up and get all melted down. And we'll take it up and cut it open and see what we got. All right, one way to help the cheese melt down is find a lid. Now the lid that fits this pan is actually in the dishwasher right now. So we just found another pan and a pot and a lid to go over it and kind of help that cheese melt down. Hold that heat in there and just let it all melt down. So give it just a few minutes, and hey, cook it till you like it. We don't like ours burnt. Some people do. Cook it like you want it. Now we got the cheese melted down a little bit now, so let's take it up, put it on a cutting board, and let's cut this thing open. Let's see what we have here. Well, let's cut this thing open and see how good it's going to be, gooey and cheesy and It's gonna look on the inside. Here we go. Man, look at that. Talk about comfort food on a cold, rainy day. That'll warm you up. All that buffalo chicken, jalapeno pepper, and spicy hot sausage, the bacon and that cheese, that cream cheese as a binder holding it all together. Man, this thing's gonna be good. So try it out. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hey, and check us out next time.